machine guns, bombs, warplanes, heavy artillery. Sounds of War has you covered. Prepare to be shell-shocked by an audio blitzkrieg spanning every major modern war and beyond. The Sounds of War collection is presented for the first time in full Dolby 10.2 surround sound. That's Dolby! All your favorites are here, like the AK-47, the F-14 Eliminator, the MP5 machine gun, BB-6 stun grenade, the M16, the Spanish Cobra launcher, Jarlsberg glass bomb, and so much more. Order now and receive your first 4 volumes immediately, starting things off with a bang, with Bullets Over Bahrain. Then comes Kama Crazy, a full-tilt sonic exploration of Red Japan's deadly Ace in the Hole. The time is now to order the Sounds of War collection, and the time is now to send it back to Washington. Rick?
Hello, America. I'm retired Colonel Rick Springfield, USMC, here to tell you about an audio opportunity you don't want to miss. War. What is it good for? Good God, y'all. Absolutely everything. I believe it was Ralph Waldo Emerson that once said, war. Wow. War has been the staple of every great civilization since the dawn of man decades and decades ago. Sure, I've seen my fair share of the action. I've been in the shit, and I loved every minute of it. And not a day goes by that I don't think back. Back and up and over. Well, basically I'm here to sell you something that should sell itself. War. 12 CDs of it. Loud and proud like a mushroom cloud. In conjunction with the Library of Congress, Baskin-Robbins 31 Flavors, and Time Life Music, I bring you 12 CDs chock full of the greatest sounds, from the greatest weapons, from the greatest battles, from the greatest wars of all time. Permission to offer a great deal, sir? Permission granted.
That's right, Colonel. 12 CDs spanning 24 wars, over 17,000 weapons on 12 discs. Your second installment of Sounds of War includes volumes 5 through 8. Venture deep into the dark, dank jungles of hell on Mekong, Yukon. And between Iraq and a hard place, Sounds of War is a must-have to give your next party a little extra firepower. This collection is perfect to get that blood pumping for that morning jog, a dip in the pool, going upstairs, going downstairs, on the john, standing, leaning, nap time, fun time. Any time is great with Sounds of War. I can't believe this. It's the most war I've ever heard, says Gene Triplehorn. Peter Travers of Rolling Stone raves. Where do I begin? What could I possibly say? And Vice President Dick Cheney says, it's not just good, it's war good. But that's not all. Be one of the first 750 callers to order the Sounds of War collection and receive a regulation leather baseball signed and numbered by Southern rock legend Bob Seger.
Now is then. This is now. And this is wartime, soldier. Sounds of wartime. Whether you're flatfoot or peg leg, this is your chance to serve your country, soldier. So report for duty at the number you see below, soldier. I don't give a sweet whether you're a hippie or a honky or a muff-diving donkey. I don't care whether you're in the rain or crapping in the sunshine. This is your mother war, and this is your flag, and this is the CD set that you've been waiting for. Our phone lines are locked and loaded. It's up to you to pull the trigger. This is a limited time deal, folks, so you do not want to miss this. Because if you miss this, I will jam you so motherfucking hard. I will come to your house and sorry, folks. That's the value talking. I've put my life on the line to offer you the CD set of a lifetime. Oh, shit. There's been a breach. We gotta get these CDs moved now, soldier! Ah! It's too late! Just go! Go!
Your third and final installment of Sounds of War includes volumes 9 through 12, with Incoming, the return to Snakewater Falls, and giving us a glimpse into the future sounds of future wars in space, hyperspace, and beyond, is Volume 12, Star Screamers, The Becoming. All your favorite weapons you've always wished were real. Lasers, star cannons, photon technology. With Star Screamers, set your phasers on fun. All of these guns, all of these bombs. Surely there's nothing else we can offer you at a low price like this, right? Wrong! Order right now, and we'll include your very own mechanical menace. Complete with felching spike. Just imagine all the things you can do with this wonderful device. And now with the new mechanical Nanus, just imagine the time you'll save. Unbelievable! Isn't it about time you raise that white flag and surrender to our toll-free 800 number?
Well, there you have it, folks. Deal of the century. Do your colonel proud and call the number you see below. You know, this CD set really is amazing. Some might even call it the bomb. Well, thanks for dropping by. You know, I always love it when you come by. I'm gonna miss this place. I'm gonna miss these CDs. Tell me you'll buy them. Tell me you'll buy them. It's so cold in here. It's so cold. No, no, no. Oh, pull yourself together. Permission to die, God.
Permission granted. Order now. Our operators are standing by.